Hello YouTube, doing a quick little dirty video of this second generation Fasco heat cycler I just got. Someone was wanting the part one, and for the price I said sure. Which is great because now I have two second gen and two first gen. This one, as you can tell, has the fins on the motors. I don't remember if this one actually told me a date. Let's bring it up real fast. So I had to fix the main leads. I don't know what this one is. I think the date wasn't on there anymore. I think it's been rubbed off, fortunately, on this one. I'm not using the GoPro, just using the phone. So I said it's gonna be quick and dirty. Let's go ahead and just go on the low speed. Honestly, it survived the shipping pretty well. You know, if the worst I have to do is just wire nut the lead wires or crimp them, I might crimp them later on, but for right now the wire nuts work. But yeah, I can't complain. Very nice looking low speed. Let's go ahead and go to a medium-ish speed. Around there somewhere. Good air, actually. And of course, let's go ahead and go to high, which is where these things really outperform. Got a little piece of newspaper between the blade and the motor just so I doesn't scrape it. Got a little shimmy, but it's not terrible. I'd love to have a place to hang these all day. Now that I have four of them in decent shape. So yeah, go ahead and do spin down. Control. There we go. This is just a quick video, nothing super official or anything like that. Just wanted to get it out, put it all together, make sure everything worked fine, which it did. Make a sleeve. I got a lot going on today, so that's just a quick video. I'll probably do a 0 to high after this thing spins down. I may eventually remake this video with the GoPro, but it's on my list of things to get to. As always, too many things, not enough time. This one's got nice smooth bearings though, and nothing happened to the housing or anything. The blades all arrived. So, definitely was well packed, like I said, besides the wires coming off at the top of the motor. Easy fix though. If I wanted to do it properly, I could open up the housing and actually wire it in there, but it's hidden on the top of that lip and you're not going to see it, even if you did see the top of the motor. One thing I will say though, compared to the Emerson heat fans, I do like the darker brown that these came in. Which, I mean, not surprising, I prefer the fans that come in black anyhow. But yeah. As you can tell by the spin down, the bearings are in really good shape actually. Really good shape. This one will join the horde of fans I have. It would be cool to have an install of 4 of these one day. This fan's from Spencer Russian. I know he's got a YouTube, I just know my Facebook. I don't remember his YouTube name. So, if you're doing this, I have quite a few of these brown ones, but I'm trying to find white ones. Don't know if anyone has a white one they're willing to part with, whether it be first gen or second gen. But I would like to find an antique white one if I could. Well, same thing if a K63 or K55 Harrison Blender fan. Those would be nice to find in white also, but it is what it is. Oh my goodness, stop spinning. Please stop spinning. Florida's too hot. Ugh, too hot for you not to be spinning. Okay, it's basically almost done. We're gonna do a 0 to high, see if it has any nice harmonics. Harmonics. It does. Which is average. These usually have nice harmonics. There we go. Thanks for watching, guys.